What if I told you that you can go from an empty folder to a fully working AI agent in under 30 seconds? No complicated setup, no cloud dashboards, no boilerplate, just a few commands and a couple of YAML files. Let's prove it. First, create a new project directory and initialize it with npm. Then install the Crystal AI SDK. That's at crystral.ai/SDK. Finally, create a .env file and drop in your OpenAI API key. That's the entire setup. 4 commands and you're ready to go. Now we need 2 configuration files. The first is crystral.config.yaml at the project root. This tells Crystal AI which LLM provider and model to use by default. The second file goes in an agents directory. Here we define our assistant agent, give it a name, a description, and a system prompt that shapes its personality. Notice how readable this is. No code needed for configuration. Now for the TypeScript code, create an index.ts file. We import the Crystal class, create a new instance, which automatically reads your YAML config, then load the assistant agent with getAgent. We create a session for conversation history, and finally call agent.run with a message. That's it. 5 lines of meaningful code to talk to an AI agent. Let's run it. Execute npx_tsnodeindex.ts and watch. Crystal AI loads your config, initializes the OpenAI provider, and sends your message to the assistant agent. The response streams back, and just like that, your first AI agent is live and responding. But here's where it gets interesting. Because we created a session, Crystal AI automatically manages conversation history. Each call to agent.run on the same session ID preserves context. Ask a follow-up question and the agent remembers everything from earlier in the conversation. Multi-turn dialogue works out of the box, no extra code required. Let's recap what we just built. We installed the Crystal AI SDK, created a project config and an agent config in YAML, wrote a few lines of TypeScript, and ran a multi-turn AI conversation. All of that in under 2 minutes. In the next video, we'll take a deep dive into the YAML configuration system and explore every option available to you. See you there.